seen a lot of change since the invention of CAD. Digital transformation is becoming very prominent. And there's a lot of talk about artificial intelligence or AI. Autodesk is no stranger to AI. 2009, they published for physics-based generative design paper. To date, there's over 70 peer-reviewed research papers, making Autodesk Labs the world-leading publisher of AI research for 3D geometry and design. In a recent Seagate IDC report, it was determined that 68% of data available to the enterprise is not put to work. Our goal is to make collecting that data easier, manage the storage of the data, connecting silos of data so it's available to the entire enterprise. And companies did not intentionally go out to have data silos, but it wasn't a priority to understand how the data flowed throughout the organization. Autodesk Platform Services is the glue that brings it all together. We have the Fusion-enabled tools. Then we have the traditional tools, whether it's Inventor, AutoCAD, could be SolidWorks, you could have step files, you could have PDFs. Through Platform Services, we can augment that with data from SAP, analysis data, machine data, and all of that flowing in and out through a common manufacturing data model.
Every organization's digital ecosystem is unique. We're not trying to discuss a product or a software, but to collaborate on identifying where you're starting from and where you want to go. Together, we can identify the gaps and develop a focused strategy to address them, ensuring that every step drives a measurable ROI and delivers tangible value towards achieving your goals.